Alright guys, welcome back to Design and Tech Up YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can pin more than 3 chats in your WhatsApp. As we all know, the maximum number of chats you can pin on WhatsApp is 3. But in this video, I'll be showing you how you can pin as much as the chat you would like to pin on your WhatsApp. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one. And as for the returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as I said earlier, I will be showing you how you can pin as much as chat you like to pin on your WhatsApp. So just watch. This might be tricky. So all you just have to do is to watch this video to the very end so that you can have a better understanding of how you can do that. So let's head over to our WhatsApp. Looking at this, you can see I pinned more than 3 chats. You can see. But to do that, I will just unpin the chat so that you can see. Let me unpin those chats. I've unpinned those chats now. So I will pin 3 chats. So you can see I've pinned 3 chats now. So let's say I'm trying to pin another chat. You will see you can only pin up to 3 chats, meaning that you cannot pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp. The maximum number of chats you can pin on WhatsApp is 3. So in doing this, this is tricky. You have to be quick with it. So in order to pin more than 3 chats, this is what we'll be doing. Once you pin 3 chats like this. So you click on one of the chats like this, then you achieve it. You click on this place to achieve that chat. Once you achieve that chat, immediately you quickly pin another chat, then you undo the one you achieve. So if you want to be repeating this process, you'll be repeating it one by one. You make sure you leave a 2 chat. You unpin. You make sure it remains only 2 pin chats. So in order to be repeating this process, so let's try this. Achieve it. Pin another chat. Undo it. You can see we now have 4 pin chats. You can see, which is more than the maximum number of chats you can pin in your WhatsApp. So let's say you want to pin another chat. We can only pin. You cannot pin more than 3 chats on WhatsApp. So you click on 2 chats now. You achieve the chat. You pin it, then you undo it. Then you can see we have 5 chats. We have 5 chats now. If you count it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see we have 5 chats pinned now. So let's say we want to add another one. We achieve 3 chats now. You must make sure the pin chat that will be remain will not be more than 2. So that once you achieve another one, it will be 3. Then immediately you undo the pin chat you've achieved. So that is just how you can repeat the process. So let us try it once again. So let's achieve this chat. Pin this, then undo it. Then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 pinned chat. So that is just how you can pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share this video across to other friends so that they can also know how to pin more than 3 chats on your WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video just like this. Thanks for watching.